How many sticks total would you have?
2.
Well, these equal 10. So 10 plus 1. You have 10 plus 1. You'd have 11 sticks, right? Because these represent 10, and these represent 1. Okay. So, let's say we're going to do a problem which is going to be 23 minus 16. So we need to get 23, and we get the 20 from 2 groups of 10, which is 20. Then we have our 3 single sticks, which is 3. So we have, I should flip it, 23, right? And on the bottom, if we were subtracting, we'd have, how many is this again? 10. Count them out as I lay them down. So we have 10.
11.
Count them with them.
12. 13. 14. 15.
16, right? So if we wanted to subtract these, we have 23 up here, we have 16 on here. And you pointed out earlier we start in the ones column, right? So we're going to start with these, right? What's the problem we have here? Do you see it? What's the problem? We have more sticks on the bottom than we do on the top, right? So we can't take 6 away from 3, can we? Like we just talked about the apples, we couldn't take 8 apples away from 4 because that number was bigger. So it's the same thing here, you can see it. Can't take 6 away from 3 because this bottom number is bigger. So what we do in this situation then is we go back up to the top. Do we have more 10s sticks on the top than we do on the bottom? We have, right, we have 2 10s and only 1 down here. So what we're going to work on today is a process called borrowing or regrouping. They mean the same thing. This top number is going to borrow some of itself over to the ones column. So this ones column is going to borrow a group of 10. And it's going to go over here to the ones column. So now what number do we have in this ones column? If this is 10, 13, right? So now, see that, Jordan? We now have 13 in this ones column. Is it bigger than the number on the bottoms now? Is 13 bigger than 6? Is 13 a bigger number than 6?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. So now we could subtract these numbers that are in this column.
And I know something about 13 is 2
Right, yeah, so that's another way you can tell it's bigger, right? Because 13 has 2 digits and 6 only has 1, which means it's a bigger number. Okay, so what is 13 minus 6? Seven, right. So then we're left with 7 sticks, and over here we have a 1 minus a 1, which is 0, right? Right, so 7 is our answer, good.
Or 7.
Okay.
So
Now I'm going to give both of you guys a board. The same rules apply when you work with this board. If you're not writing, you're going to have your marker marked, okay? Yeah, okay.
My dad used some of these, but like the board practice.
Okay.
Our dogs are jumping up and down.
So we're going to work on some problems now involving regrouping and borrowing. So I want you to write the number 24
Yeah, I know this one.
And then all your numbers. Okay, we'll let you start, Carter. What is our first step here?
Sorry, the one's coming.
Right, we're gonna start in the ones column. And what numbers do we have in the ones column?
4 and 7.
Right.
Wait, I got.
Hold on. So Jordan, is the bottom number bigger than the top? It is. So can we subtract that?
No.
No. So number when we use the sticks, we borrowed from the tens column. So you go back up to your top number and go to the tens column, which is the 2. And to borrow, you put a line through the 2. And then that 2 becomes a 1. Yeah. So if this number were a 5, it always goes down by 1. So it would become a 4. Right? So since we took something from here, we have to add something over here. So we took 10 away from this column, which means we have to give 10 to the 4. How we do that is we put a 1 in front of the 4. So what's our new number, Jordan? 14, right. Now is our top number bigger than our bottom number? It is. So we can subtract that. You want to solve that? 14 minus 7. Oh, check it with your chart. You start at 14. How many spaces are you going to go back?
17.
No, we're going back 7. Start here. Go back 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's your answer? Right. Okay, let's work on it. You can't erase. You can either use that or the top.
For the top is better to erase because I don't like these ones.
Okay.
I like.
Okay, so now I want you to write the number 32.
I'm gonna erase that two numbers. Top or something.
On your head. Minus 28. Why don't you start us this time, Jordan? What's going to be our first step?
20.
Right, so we want to look at our top number. Can we take 8 away from 2? No, we can't. So where are we going to go? To the 3. What are we going to do? Right, we're going to cross it out. We're going to borrow. So just put a line through it. And this number goes down by 1. So if we take 3 minus 1, what does the new number become? Oh, if we have 3, we go back 1. Back. 2. So since we took something from there, where are we going to add it?
By 2.
By the 2, right.
That would be.
Right.
I'm going to.
So now we're left with 12 minus 8. And you use your chart. Well, let's check it on your chart. Where are you going to start it? Now when are you going to go back? What's this number? Right. So 1. Good job, Jordan. Good job. All right, Jordan. So now we have a 2 here. Minus 2. 0, right? Alright, let's do one more.
sometimes to these, so like sometimes to these boards there's like two of these.
Right. All right. Just lay it on your desk. Okay. So now let's start to number 21. Minus 18. All right, Carter. What's our first step? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can we do that? Can we do 1 minus 8?
Yeah.
Right. So where do we go from there?
We take away 1 from the 2.
Right. Right. No. So where are we gonna add that? Right. Where are you starting at? Minus. Go back in. Oh, let's double check that. Start at 11. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so now we got 3. Now you add your 1 minus 1. 0. Right.
Look.
Alright, erase your board. Yeah, put the cap on your marker. Now we're going to see how much you wrote. Whoop, I still got to use that one. Thank you. Alright, Carter, you're going to work on a problem first. We're going to have 35 minus 28. Well, why don't you do the steps we were just doing? Where you started, right? Can you do 5 minus 8? No. Mm-hmm. Good job. Does that look right to you? Yeah. Nice job, Carter. Alright, Jordan, it's your turn now. And he has his own. We'll give you 23 minus 19. So let's start step by step. What's your first step? You're looking at the ones column. And you can't do that, right? And then you gotta put that one somewhere. If it's, well, what's the answer?
0.
Yeah, you don't have to write. If it's 0, you don't have to write. All right, that looks good. Nice job. All right. Why don't you put your names on the top there. You can go into So this is working by yourself now, okay? You have 5 problems. I want you to solve those, okay? Go ahead.